Hello, everybody. I haven't been on for a couple of weeks because I have no voice. So, couldn't really make any videos, and it is sub-zero or close to 0 Fahrenheit, and we've got about a foot of snow here. So, no videos until I get my voice back. But I do owe you a review on the green car, and you will get that. And just so happens I got this just came in. This one just came in. This one just came in. I don't know what's in those two. This one says A-959-B. So this should be a Wltoys A-959-B. When I get my voice back, I'll get some of these open and do some reviews. But for now, I just wanted to let everybody know what was going on for those few people that have subscribed. If you can share some more videos with some friends, get some more people to subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Hit the like button, the dislike button, thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't matter, just activity. I need something to happen. So thanks for everybody that's kind of hanging in there with me, and as soon as I get my voice back, I will finish up some of these other videos.